Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Navy Federal Credit Union, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Navy Federal direct deposit form? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Navy Federal direct deposit form? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe one of your clients wants to pay you through direct deposit and they have asked you to provide your own form. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process, and it's handled here on the NavyFederal.org website. You don't actually even need to sign into your Navy Federal account to get your direct deposit form. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already gone to the website. This is the home screen. Now, in order to get your Navy Federal direct deposit form, you need to click on this hamburger menu here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. Once you click there, you will see the search bar right here at the top, and you want to click in it and then just type in direct deposit form. Okay, I typed it in, and you want to go ahead and click search. Okay, so once you click on search, you're going to see a lot of different results for direct deposit forms. However, in order to get the PDF version that you can print out for a direct deposit form for your Navy Federal account, you want to scroll down until you see this line right here called direct deposits and allotments. If for some reason it doesn't show up in your search, go ahead and search again under direct deposits and allotment, and it'll have the PDF logo next to it. Go ahead and click on that line. Okay, so here it's going to give you some information about direct deposits with Navy Federal. Don't worry about this. In order to get your direct deposit form, just scroll to the bottom and you're going to see this kind of clip out right here. This is your Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form. And in order to fill it out, you're going to put in your name as it appears on your Navy Federal account. So first, middle, and last. Next, you will need to add your address, city and state, and zip code. And then right here, this is really important. It lets you know that you need to put your company name. So that's not your company. It's going to be the company that is paying you. Their name will be right here. And you need to choose how much will be direct deposited into your Navy Federal Credit Union account. So you will need to fill this out. If you have more than one account, you can direct deposit part of the payment into account 1 and account 2. So you're going to mark if it's a checking, savings, or a money market, and then you will put your full Navy Federal Credit Union account number here, and then the amount. So if you click net pay, the entire payment will go into that account. Or you can check other and do 50% here and then 50% here. Or you can put other and then put a dollar amount. So something like $500 or $100, and then you can click here and then put remaining in the other account. That's really up to you. And then lastly, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and sign your Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form right here, and then just scroll over and then put in the date that you are signing it. A few things I want to let you know about direct deposit with Navy Federal Credit Union. The first is, if you are setting up direct deposit for someone else, you need to make sure that company doesn't have their own specific form, because a lot of times they do have their own form and they do require you to use their direct deposit form, not Navy Federal Credit Unions. Also, another thing you want to note is that for direct deposit to work with your Navy Federal Credit Union, sometimes it takes 2 or 3 billing cycles before that happens. That doesn't have anything to do with Navy Federal Credit Union. It has more to do with the company that you are providing this form to. So if they have tens of thousands of employees or contractors, sometimes it can take 2 or 3 cycles before that starts getting direct deposited. So once you filled out this Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form, make sure you give it to your client as soon as possible, and that way they can start working on setting up your direct deposit. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Navy Federal Credit Union direct deposit form, that is the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.